Hey everybody, this is Chris from the CPAP shop. This is the new Z1 Auto CPAP machine. We've had some requests if we could do a quick YouTube video concerning the volume. Some people were interested in hearing what it sounded like. So I have the Z1 Auto. I have it plugged in. This is the tube adapter that comes with it. This is the actual slimline tubing that comes with it. What this is just to replicate a mask. I didn't want to put a mask on the end because that's all you're going to hear is the sound whooshing out of the mask. So this just simulates a standard mask, or a standard nasal pillow mask actually. This is an auto. I took it out of auto mode and I put it on a straight CPAP mode, which you can do. It kind of defeats the purpose of an auto, but for this experiment I wanted to take it out of auto mode so it can be on a straight pressure of 8, which is about what we're finding. People are between an 8 or a 12, somewhere in that range. So I put it on a pressure of 8. I'm going to start it up, and then we can. I'll be quiet, and then you can hear the sound of the machine. So I'll turn it on. Okay, and it's starting to ramp up. Okay, the air is coming through this little hole, so it's definitely on. So for a small machine, this motor is spinning pretty quickly to generate the same pressure a larger machine would have. It's a very quiet unit, as you can hear. And this is on a standard pressure of 8. And even if it was on auto mode, don't forget, an automatic machine is trying to give you the lowest pressure possible. So if your average pressure is a 12 during the course of the night, this might dip down below that because the machine's always going to try to give you the lowest pressure possible, which means the motor inside is not spinning as quickly, which means it's not going to generate as much noise. So again, this is the new Z1 Auto on a pressure of 8. And if you have any other questions or comments or concerns, please give us a call. You can email us, and any other video requests, please let us know. You can reach us on by phone at 866-414-9700. And our website, where you can chat with us or send us an email, is www.thecpapshop.com. Thank you.